friends, Running Kimono here. This is a quick video on Bath & Body Works Body Care Day, all the information you're going to need and what to look out for as we're heading towards the weekend and this super event. So the first thing we're going to talk about is price points. Is it going to be $5.95? Is it going to be $4.95? I've seen it at both prices, depending what year, but I will let you guys know, I think things have been a bit slower this year because Bath & Body Works products are not a priority. I've seen weeks leading up to Christmas, they've dropped the entire body care line down to $4.95 for like a day in the app, and it was like a huge panic to get to the store. But I've seen that price, so I think it's going to be that price. Just my prediction, but I might be wrong. It might be $5.95. Now, what is included? Lots of perfume sprays, lotions, body creams. I've even seen stuff for bathing, like those steamers that you put in your shower. Those are always really nice. And anything to smell good that goes on the body specifically. And $4.95 for some of these products that are upwards of close to $20, if not more. Couple years they've messed up and made the full perfumes $4.95 as well. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for those because that's when, you know, people go like, I'll get everything, I'll get anything. And in this display, you can actually see some of the large perfumes that are part of it. They didn't pull it, so I think they had to honor a couple of those. But I'm not saying that. I'm just remembering what happened a couple years ago. So in the store, specifically when it happens, it's going to be marked at $4.95. Typically what Bath & Body Works does, because this is their big event right after Candle Day, and they have to keep the momentum moving. So you go back in the store or you buy this stuff online. You are going to get an email either on Wednesday or Thursday saying Body Care Day will be the following, and here's all the information. So last Wednesday, they announced all the information and all the new flavors of the candles for Candle Day on their social media. So Instagram, Facebook, all those sites. So I'm thinking that either Wednesday or Thursday, we're going to get something on social media talking about when Body Care Day will happen. And we'll either start shopping either on Thursday and then in store the following Friday or possibly Saturday. Typically what they let us do for this event is do one day early shopping online and then one day in store, and then they wrap this one up quickly. In other years, they've let it go a couple of days, but sometimes it's pretty quick because when there's these really expensive items, it's like they just don't let this event linger like they did with Candle Day. I've seen that in the past. So definitely watch their social media Wednesday, Thursday, or even open up the My Bath & Body Works app, and all the information will probably be there for online sales and in store. But I'm guessing it's going to be something around close to Friday, maybe Friday or Saturday. This is a savings page. If you have any of these home mailers or digital coupons in your My Bath & Body Works app, don't forget to use them. The 10 off 40 should work for you. It did have the one exclusion of online only for Candle Day, and I'm pretty sure if you're ordering this body care stuff online, you're going to have to use a coupon code. Maybe, maybe not. But the 10 off 40, I mean, that's going to give you 2 free items if you're buying a $40 basket, and wouldn't that be nice? And just don't forget to use your coupons for maximum savings. That's what it's all about. And if you like to use the rebate apps, Fetch and IBOTTA are two that have Bath & Body Works gift cards. If you have enough points or cash for IBOTTA accrued in your account, you can get, I think at $25, start getting gift cards for both. And with Fetch, I think you need 72 hours for the gift card to get processed. So you might want to cash out sooner in the week if you plan on using your Fetch gift card for a whole bunch of Bath & Body Works magic. And if you want to sign up for both of these apps, check out the link in the notes. When you use my referral code, I think you're given a couple of bucks for Fetch and $5 for IBOTTA, which is really fantastic. Check out my referral links in the notes. So this is a haul that I did a couple years back. I think it was a $50 IBOTTA gift card. So, you know, I didn't even feel this one out of pocket, and that's totally the way to do it. Everything from conditioner, a body spray. That sensitive line was so fantastic. The 1000 Wishes dry shampoo, that's a home run. I actually bought one of those last week. And those little shower steamers. That's what they're called. And eucalyptus and orange, always a lovely thing if you are an avid, you like to take really hot showers or just a little bit of magic. So are you going to Body Care Day this weekend? Let me know. And are you excited by this event? I think for up to 75% off of these products, I certainly am. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.